I've been using this little 1/2-inch impact for a few weeks now, putting it through the paces, and here's my review of it. It's awesome. It broke these lawnmower blades loose no problem. They were on the mower when I bought it and they were basically seized. I had a huge breaker bar trying to get them loose and couldn't. This impact took them off no problem. I also used it to do some work on my boat. It'll break a car lug nut, and it runs on a single 20-volt battery. Also, the price on this impact makes it really worth it. It's a third of the price of some of your more high-end, supposedly name brand products, but it performs, in my opinion, just as well. I really can't say enough good things about it. It's 1/2-inch drive. It even comes with your most standard size 1/2-inch impact sockets for changing lug nuts and that sort of thing. It comes with a battery charger and all the components you need to get started. My overall experience with the DongCheng products has been positive. Initially, I had some apprehension because I'd never heard of them, but I started off with their chainsaw and loved it. Then I got their blower and loved it too. Now I have their impact, and man, it's honestly my favorite of everything I have from them. I've been wanting one of these for a long time, something to keep in the truck in case I ever break down. This impact also has a feature where you can set the torque to 1, 2, or 3. So if you're trying to tighten stuff up, you don't want to over tighten it, you can put it on a 1 or a 2. Or if you really need to crank something down, you can put it all the way up to 3. It also comes in a really nice storage bag, that way you have everything you need on hand.